Hello everyone, welcome to Beyond Tarot. This is Lavina Tilwani and I'm so glad to have all of you here, and you are so lovely people who remove your precious time and listen to my video, and I'm very grateful for you to share my videos with your friends, and most of them have contacted me and taken readings from me. So thank you so much and for your kind gesture. And today I am going to talk about the lovely Geminis, and your month starts from this 21st of May until the 19th of June, and I hope you all have a great birthday and a great month ahead. So I hope you are excited to know about your love life, your career and your travel. So in terms of love, what I see is the Six of Swords. Now 6 denotes Venus, which talks about going for travel and meeting your partner. Probably you will travel somewhere, go from one place to the other and go to meet your partner. There could be some travel plans with your partner, so there is a journey in store for you and a lot of good times spent with your loved ones. So love life is going to be exciting, where you could be traveling with your partner. In terms of career, oh my god, what a lovely card. So I get the 10 of Pentacles, which talks about ancestral property, which talks about finances, which talks about profits, which talks about money, which talks about buying and selling of land. It is talking about money, money, money. So a lot of money flow for you Geminis. So you have to learn to respect that kind of money that is coming to you, save it and invest it in a proper way. So good times for your money flow. In terms of travel, what I see is the apt card which I've got is the Fool card, which is talking about impromptu travel. That means you're not going to plan this travel, but it is going to be more of a spontaneous travel. You will just take your bag, quickly put in some 2-3 clothes and run away with your friends for a quick trip somewhere, maybe close by or far, without thinking about the destination, without thinking about the finances and without thinking about anything else. So it's more like a vagabond who's just taking his bag and going away somewhere which is not a disclosed destination. So your reading looks very, very exciting to me, and I hope you have a great time and this reading resonates with you. I would love to hear the comments from you guys, and if this reading really resonates with you, then I would really be very, very happy to know that you had a great month ahead. So do share this video with your other friends who are Geminis, and if you resonated with this reading, I'm sure your friends will also do it. So get back to me for readings in case if you want to know about your birthday month or you want to know about your personal year. I am here to guide you. Till then, enjoy yourself and have a great time.